So let's now make sure that you're really crystal clear on how to answer some of the questions and what questions to expect when it comes to your Unit 3 Personal and Business Finance exam. So the paper always starts off with Section A, which is the personal finance element, of course. You can see that it says that out of the 2 hours, you're advised to spend between 40 and 45 minutes on this section of the paper. It doesn't represent the majority of the marks, so therefore you should be leaving yourself at least an hour and a quarter for Section B. Okay, so we always start off with identify questions. Identify questions are nice and straightforward to answer, and we can see this here. I've got one of my candidates' recent distinction examples from January 2018 here, just to illustrate how to go about answering the questions. And you'll also see that you don't need perfect responses every time to be able to receive a distinction grade overall. I've got the mark scheme on the right hand side, so we can see how the candidate is actually doing in relation to this mark scheme. So here we've got identify two different types of current accounts. So firstly, number one, the standard account. Okay, well we can see here it is on the mark scheme, so that would receive 1 mark, and a student account. Okay, so that is our second point and the second mark, therefore, so it's 2 out of 2. This student is off to a really good start here. Second question, again, it's an identify question, so it doesn't need elaboration or explanation. So identify 2 features of travel insurance. So if a flight is cancelled, they ensure you get your money back, or another flight. So we can see we've got missed flight here or cancelled flight. And secondly, pay for your medical bills if you suffer from any conditions, problems while abroad. So we've got medical emergencies. So once again, 2 out of 2, great start.